Konnichiwa everyone. Very random problem today. While filling up gas, the little retainer strap from my gas cap on my little Honda Fit here decided to break on me. So we're going to get this removed and replace it with something slightly better. Just thought this would be kind of fun. Got a little idea. This thing is actually not that complex of a project in the least. Just take this little, that would focus. There we are. We're just going to take the original little retainer lanyard off, make a new one. I got some stainless steel wire here that should work just fine for that. Would probably last longer than the car itself. So, you know, nothing crazy today. I'm almost certain that there's going to be a Honda guy in the comments that is going to scream at me for doing this the hardest way possible, but I don't have a ton of time, and I definitely don't want to be losing my gas cap because it's kind of a critical tool. Okay, what am I missing here? No sense trying to save it. There we are. Now, to make it smell like gasoline in here. Plastic stuff always annoys me. It's like, really be that hard to make something out of metal? To hold that on there. Nippy snip. About that. Should be long enough. Alright, let's get this. Fit. Could use thicker wire, but I don't really see the point. It's not like it's going to be under a tremendous amount of tension. I don't have a swaging tool, but I do have this. So let's see how this works here. Just want that to have enough bite. Oh yeah, that's going to be more than plenty. Sweet. It's almost like a little fishing rod. Probably cut that there. And as a little precaution, just roll this here. Cicadas make lovely background music, don't they? That ought to hold just fine. Got enough slack to where it will, yeah, it'll slide right around like that. Now, let's see what we can do here. Come on, Bessie. Probably be wearing some gloves for this, but I do not have gloves currently. Time for a little test here. Okay, let's see what we got. Go for a gas station. Just unscrew that. It's a little tighter than normal. Yeah, we're good. Well, I would venture to say that's an improvement over this cheap plastic cap that did not last very long at all. And a replacement one of these is about 14 bucks. And the wire's not that expensive. The little stop set's like $2 at your local hardware store probably. And you know, it's probably going to last longer than the car itself will. The best part about it is hardly anyone's going to see it unless they go to put fuel in the car. So, yeah, that's kind of fun. I like little things like this. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have an awesome day. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara. Oh yeah, one more thing. Now we're done. Have a good day, guys.